Let's do this. It's time for me to lock in and get this done. What the? Come on. Right now? Whatever. Just a little distracting, that's all. It's gonna be okay though. I know I got it.
All right, it's fine. It's fine. It's not fine. It sucks. You have to deal with it. That's life, right? You gotta deal with this and that and fellow. All right. Okay. First question. Easy. It is. Wake up! You get together. Just focus. Focus on your breathing. Okay. Stop focusing on your breathing. Just do the problem. Navigate yourself through the thick waters of life. Is it getting louder? Do we really need to clean the floor right now? Is it necessary? Do we really need to be doing this? Like, that's just kind of what I'm trying to be asking here. Focus. Oh gosh. It's unbearable. I can't do it. I can't. Whoa. Oh, the world is beautiful. Yes. You know, you never get to appreciate the little things in life until it strips you bare, spanks you silly, gets a hold of your valuables, and starts fondling you.
The entire bottom half wasn't on. Silly mistakes made by friends and foes alike. All right, let's get this party started, y'all. No.